What's up, tribe? This is Justin, Elevate Credit. Today is day 199. 3 most important financial statements in personal finance. So, thank you guys for following this journey from day 0 to reuniting my wife and my son here in the U.S. We're talking credit repair, business funding, real estate investing. Just taking that next step to achieve that next level. So, today we're talking about personal finance, and the 3 most important financial statements in personal finance are your balance sheet or your net worth, your profit and loss, and your credit report. So let me explain. Your balance sheet is just a snapshot of your assets, your liability, and the difference is your equity, right? And that's your net worth. How much are you worth once you add up all of your assets and deduct all of the debt, all of the liabilities, and the difference is your equity, your net worth. So when you hear the question of how much are you worth, that's your true net worth. That's a true net worth calculation. Some people just think that they're worth the amount of their assets, and that's not true because you also have to factor in the debt. So you don't own the portion of the debt. It's not your equity. Okay, so the second financial statement is your profit loss. This is very important. Of course, this is the money that comes in, and then you deduct the money that goes out, and you have a profit at the end of the month, or a loss if you're losing money, if you're running a deficit. And this details out all of your incomes, business income, if you have W-2 income, rental income, interest income, dividend income. There's lots of different types of income that goes into the calculation of your income. And then of course your expenses, whatever your personal, your household expenses are, your business expenses. Both of these can be calculated for personal and business, or you can combine the two. So your profit and loss is a calculation, something that you need to keep your thumb on and make sure that you're not in the red each month. You need to be profitable. So the third, of course, is your credit report or your credit reports. And, of course, on the individual side, you have Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. There's 3. On the business, you have Duns and Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. Those are the big 3 there. So you need to keep your credit score and your credit profile healthy, so that when you need to go out and get financing for whatever you need to get it for, remember, we're using it to build business and invest in real estate. But if you need to go get financing for any of those things, you need to make sure you have a healthy credit report. And that's why it's important. The credit report, credit repair, the business funding aspect is very important to your personal finance situation. And it's a very important statement, document that you need to keep your thumb on. So your balance sheet, your profit and loss, and your credit reports. Those are the 3 most important financial statements in personal finance. So thank you guys for following. Remember to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment. It helps the algorithms. Check out the link. We have ebooks, e-courses, trade lines. If you're interested in one-on-one, we can do that as well. Last but not least, to my son, Josiah's son, you are blessed. You are anointed. Remember to use credit responsibly, son, to your success. Salute.